Hey, it's Jeff with luxuryrentals.com. Again here, I'm actually at the Hershey retreat, in case you haven't figured it out. There's Hershey all over the place in this room. Why am I standing in this room for this video? Well, the topic of this video is a pretty hot topic that I see a lot on Facebook or different groups where people are saying, where should I buy? Okay, yes, Jeff, I want to do a luxury rental. Yes, Jeff, I'm doing luxury rentals, but where do I buy them? It's an important question because there are some markets where you could have a luxury rental, but the cost of it and operating it wouldn't make you that profitable. Markets like your hottest lakes that you could go to, or like Colorado and the mountains, like I've looked at investments in different mountain cities there. Not that it can't work, it's just more difficult to work. Or by the ocean, or just kind of your main areas where most people want to go. What we like to do is focus on markets that are smaller or second tier markets. So we can come into a market like that, buy a home like this for 1.25, put 100, 150,000 or so into it, make it really nice, and now we've got a low amount of cash into the property and the return on it in the 40 to 50% range if we get the right property in the right mix with the right location. So one of the keys is not just looking on where the hottest market is that everybody's talking about online, or even the latest like research tools like Kenny Bedwell has a great one with STR Insights. There's also another one called AirDNA. There's tools out there that are good at finding markets, but even when you find a market, you've got to know how to position yourself within that market, do the numbers work. So in our investment strategy, we're not trying to go into the biggest cities and get the nicest things. No, we're trying to buy a little bit outside of it and get a really nice property in a nice location, make that property really nice, and now our margins will be higher. I learned this a long time in real estate. It's a similar concept when I would buy real estate, just like a home we might even live in, is never go into a neighborhood and buy the nicest home, because you're never going to get your money out of it. Go into a neighborhood and buy it on the lower end, fix it up a little bit or just make it a little nicer, decorate it better, and when it's time to sell, you'll actually make a profit. And I've seen that over and over through the years of owning a lot of real estate that works. So it's a very similar strategy to what we do with luxury rentals. Is we're not always going to be in the top markets, right? But we might be 10 minutes outside, we might be 20 minutes outside, which allows us to buy the real estate, still take advantage of a traffic driver. It's another reason I'm standing here, is to talk about that. You want to have luxury rentals in an area where there is some kind of traffic driver. Well, where am I standing? If you look around me, there's Hershey bars. We're in Hershey, Pennsylvania. This, I think we have 3.2 or 3.3 million visitors a year with families. That's my demographic. So all I have to do is locate other towns like that throughout the US, throughout the world, that cater to families, where I can have access to charge a little bit more of my daily rate to create a high quality product so that people will come back over and over and over. So just a few tips. You got to have the traffic driver and not necessarily be in the best highest tier marketplace that's possible, because you're most likely going to operate on margins that are much slimmer. And our goal with luxury rentals is to create high quality products, but also have a high quality margin that goes hand in hand with it. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on another video. Thanks.